Oh, hey folks, listen. We may have made the best meal that I've ever made, ever. I may have set a new record. I mean, look at this. The rice came out unbelievably good. Don't worry about this. That was just I set one pie tin into the other, so we'll take that off. It's delicious and beautiful. That's delicious and beautiful. Now, look at the crowning achievement. Now this is already warmed up. Now, feast your eyes, and you're not here to see. Look at that. So I just checked with my landlady. Charlotte wants this without black beans. I'll take mine with black beans, but I'm going to serve it to her right now. So we're going to do this, and I'm going to show you. We're still on. I'm going to give her some of this here into this bowl here, and I'll bet you she's going to be in, not hog heaven, because she won't have the pork. She'll have the chicken. So she's going to be in chicken heaven. Boy, this rice. Look at this rice. Look at how it's coming out. Look at that. It's unbelievable. So okay, so give her a pretty good dose of rice there. All right, so she got about half of a tin of rice. And then look at this, folks. Look, when you get a solar cooker, look at it. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this. We're going to take some of this stock. Look at this with the teriyaki sauce. Look at this. I'll bet you she really goes for this. Now, onions. Look at those onions. Can you see that? Look at that. Look at that piece of chicken right there. Woo, my God. Look at this. Another piece of chicken. That's enough. She won't eat any more than that, probably. If she wants more, she can have more. Folks, can you see my mouth going crazy with this? We're not even talking about the pork yet. We're not even talking about that. All right, let's go give that to Charlotte, and we'll see what she thinks, okay? Make another video for that. Bye-bye.